How to recover Monopoly Go account. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can easily recover your lost Monopoly Go account. So if you forgot your password or you're having trouble logging in, I'll show you how you can recover your account. Open up Monopoly Go app on your device. Now from here, it will directly take you over to the home page where you'll have an option to log into your account. As you can see, it automatically logged me in using Google Play. So if you've previously used Google Play to log into your account, it will load your previously saved games and your progress will also be saved. Now, this is an automatic process, so you can easily log in if you are logged into Google Play. You can also select your age over here, tap on agree. Now, if you want, you can also connect Facebook, but if you want to play as a guest, that's fine as well. So I'll just continue as a guest for now. Now you're just gonna have to wait for the animation to load up, so I'll just wait for a bit. And once your game has loaded up, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right, and then go to settings. On settings, you need to find customer service right below Tycoon card. Once you are on customer service, you just have to select the option right here for how can I contact customer support. You can also find top articles over here and some common issues that people face over here. So I'll just go ahead and you can search for an article for contact customer support, but if you can't find it, at the top right, you can find the chat icon. And if you tap there, you should be able to contact the customer support. So it is currently a bot, but if you want to talk to an employee, you can talk to them and give them your reason why you can't log in and your username if possible as well. They'll guide you through how you can recover your account and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.